Hello friends, today I have taken very good stock for you that will give you very good returns in coming days. Yes, all of my friends, that stock is Kava Sciences in stock. Friends, Sava stock now closed at $14.92 level on July 26th, 2024. Friends, if you want, you can invest now on Sava stock and you can earn good profit in coming days. Friends, CA Sciences and company market cap is 75.85 million. Friends, Cassava Sciences Incorporated, a clinical stage biotechnology company, develops drugs for neurodegenerative disease, is its lead therapeutic product. Candidate is Simum, a small molecule drug, which has completed phase 2b clinical trial investigational diagnostic product. Candidate is 6 of blood-based biomarker diagnostic to detect Alzheimer's disease. The company was formerly known as Pain Therapeutics Incorporated and changed its name to Kava Sciences Incorporated in March 2019. The company was incorporated in 1998 and is based in Austin, Texas. Friends, Cassava Science is incorporated company related to healthcare sector and it's working on biotechnology industry. Friends, number of employees working on this company is above 26 and the company is headquartered located on Austin, Texas, United States. Friends, you can clearly see on the chart of SAA stock the higher price was made on July 14th, 2000. Price was $1.15,313 USD. Now SAA stock available in a very cheap rate, and here is very big opportunity for investment on SAA stock because from here bounce back chart pattern appearing now. Yes, all of my friends, in SAA stock bounce back chart pattern began now, and after few days SAA stocking gave a very huge sharp up move rally from this level, so all of my posit in now on SAA stock, and now you can earns after 1 or 2. Sava stock can be trade at $99 year eBay now because I will make new good stock video for you that will give you more good returns and coming days. So all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel now. Friends, thanks for the watching. Stock News Sager.